Good morning students, myself Renu Bansal and I hope you are fit and fine at your place. Students, from today we are going to start half-yearly syllabus of English language. Today we are going to start with the chapter article. Today we will learn about the use of a and the. So let's start the chapter. So students, now we will start our English language chapter. Our today's topic is use of articles a and the. But before starting the articles, we shall know about the English alphabet. So students, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. From A to Z, we have 26 letters in English alphabet. English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. Of these, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. How many vowels there are in English alphabet? 5 vowels. And rest of the letters are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 21 consonants in English alphabet. So students, now you know very well how many consonants and how many vowels in English alphabet. We have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So now we will learn the use of articles a and the. In articles we use a and the. Here a and n have same meaning. A and n have same meaning and we use a and n with singular numbers. But we use the with singular and plural both numbers. So students, first of all we will learn the use of n. We use n with those words which words start with the vowel sound. Here we have 5 vowels in English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. If a word starts with these vowels, then we use n. Means if a word begins with these vowels and it gives the sound of Hindi vowels, it begins the sound and it begins with the sound of Hindi vowels like a, e, u, o, then we put n before those words. Now come to the example. Here we have few examples. I have written here an apple. Here the word apple has a at the beginning and it is giving the sound of a. So we will write here an apple. Now come to the next example, an inkpot. Here we have first letter I and it is giving the sound of E. So we will write here an inkpot. Now next, an orange. Here we have first letter is here O and it is giving the sound of Hindi vowel O. So we will write here an. So students, now come to the next example. Next word is NR. Students, you can see here first letter is a consonant, but we are writing here N because here H is silent. So what is the sound of this word? What is the beginning sound of this word? A, R. So beginning sound is A. So we will write here N. Students, I think you understood very well. Now come to the next. Students, now we will learn the use of A. Words which starts with consonant sounds, we use A before those words. Means if these consonants gives the sound of Hindi consonants, means from K to G, if these consonant gives the sound of Hindi consonant, then we use A before those words. So let's look at the examples now. Here first example is a bag. Here first letter is, in this word first letter is B, and it is giving the sound of Hindi consonant also, B, bag. So it is giving the sound of consonant, so before consonants we use A. Now next is a cap. Here first letter is C, and it is giving the sound of Hindi consonants also, K, so we will use here a cap. Now next is a pen. Look at the first letter in this word. Here first letter is P, and it is giving the sound of P also, so we will write here A. Now next is a 1 rupee coin. Students, you can see here first letter is a vowel, but it is not giving the sound of Hindi vowel. So now what will you do? We will write here A, because it is giving the sound of Hindi consonant, V, 1. So here V is a consonant, Hindi consonant, so we will write here A before this word. So students, I think you understood very well. If you observe carefully, you will see use of A and N depends on the pronunciation of the words, not on the actual letters with which a word begins. Students, I think you understood very well, and now I'll give you some homework. It is page number 19 in your English language book, and you will complete first question. Question is, fill in the blanks correctly using A or N. So students, you will do practice and you will complete this question carefully. This is your homework.